Okay, so today I'm going to be working on some display stands for clay earrings and berets. So we got some coffee and we have got this piece of wood. So I got this size, just a thin piece from Home Depot. And just what I've done is I found a bowl that was just as wide as the plank of wood here, and just traced out the arches of where I want them, and then went in and drew a straight line so I can know where I want them to cut off. I'm gonna have them different heights, so I just kind of went and eyeballed what I liked and went with that. So now we're going to take this over to the scroll saw and get cutting. black walnut stain and all of our sanded pieces. Just gonna take some of that. So the cutoffs from the arches, cut in half, sanded down and stained, will be on the back of the stands to hold them upright. So now we're just gonna let that dry and then go in with a top coat. All right, so putting this on some parchment paper, and you want to lay out where you would want your products. So I'm going around there. Right, so there's 2 notches there. And if I want them to hang just above that, see how far they go. And then I think I can do 3. Okay, and then I can just kind of measure out the spacing here, make sure that they're even, and then go for the 3rd one. I'm just gonna take some of these gold nails and just hammer them in place so they're long enough to fit 1 or 2. And then lastly, on the back side of these, what we're gonna do is take the these rounded edge cutoffs we took, and they're gonna be attached like so. One here and one here. You're gonna glue that together, and that's gonna hold just like that. You can nail it to it, but because the wood is so thin, I would just use a either an E5000 glue or one of those cement adhesives. I'm going to be using one of those cement adhesives hot glues. Daisy, a special thank you to this girl for keeping me company outside. She hasn't really done all that much except look super cute, which is a lot of work, right? Oh, okay, bye. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope to be posting a bit more regularly soon, and whenever I have my markets going and these products out and ready for sale, I will have some links below. Thanks, everyone.